Hey everyone, if you love cannolis but you don't have a good bakery near you, this is the video for you. We are making cannolis tonight and we're going to get started right now. To make the filling, we have a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a pound of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of whole milk, some mini semi-sweet chocolate morsels to decorate the cannolis with, and we have the cannoli shells, which we ordered off of Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description box if you're interested. We are going to add the milk, sugar, and cornstarch. All the ingredients are in there now, and we're just stirring it over medium heat to get the lumps out. We want it nice and smooth and get everything dissolved. So we have our sugar mixture here, and we are going to transfer it to this bowl and combine it with the ricotta cheese. And we'll just stir it together. So we're just going to blend it a bit, and now we're going to take it back to the stove and heat it up again. Okay, so we're cooking it now over medium-low heat, and you want to keep stirring it constantly, and we're going to keep cooking it and stirring it until it thickens up. Okay, it's starting to bubble now and thicken up, so we're going to take it off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. The pot is room temperature, and now we're going to put it in the refrigerator to let it get cold for about 2 hours. Now, it would be better if you have a pastry bag, but we don't have one of those, so we are just going to use a regular plastic bag and just scoop the mixture into it like this. I'm just going to make a little cut at the tip. We put chips on too, and we left one plain, and you only really want to fill the ones that you're going to eat right away because they'll get soggy. So we still have some mixture left over in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.